In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call button in Elementor. This is a really useful feature if you want visitors to be able to call you directly from your website, especially on mobile devices. We'll walk through the entire process step by step inside WordPress and the Elementor editor, so you can follow along even if you're fairly new to Elementor. First, go ahead and open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it and then select the editor option that appears. Once the Elementor interface loads, move your attention to the top left and click on Edit Site. This will open the visual editor where you can make changes to your pages or templates. Inside the editor, you'll see a panel on the left side that contains all the available widgets you can add to your page. This is where Elementor keeps elements like headings, images, and in our case, buttons. Scroll through this list or use the search bar at the top of the panel and look for the button widget. Click and drag the button widget onto the area of the page where you want your click to call button to appear. As soon as you drop it, Elementor will place a button there for you. Once the button is added, the left panel will automatically reload and show you the settings for that specific button. Under the Content tab, you'll find options like button type, text, and link. For button type, you can simply leave it set to default. That works perfectly for a call button. Next, update the button text to something clear and action-oriented. For example, you could use call us, call now, or contact us. Choose wording that matches the tone of your site and makes it obvious that clicking will start a phone call. Now, the most important part is the link. In the link field, you're going to use a special format that tells phones to dial a number. Type tel followed by a colon, and then your country code and your phone number, with no spaces between them. For example, it would look something like tel mount 345678890. This format ensures that when someone clicks the button on a device that can make calls, it will open their dialer with your number ready to go. If you want to customize the look of your button, click on the Style tab at the top of the left panel. Here you can change things like the button's color, typography, border radius, and padding. Adjust these settings until the button matches your site's branding and is easy to see and tap, especially on mobile screens. When you're happy with both the functionality and the design, it's time to save your work. In the top right corner of the editor, click Publish if you're ready to make the change live on your site. If you're still testing or you don't want it visible to visitors yet, click the small downward pointing arrow next to the Publish button and choose to save it as a draft instead. And that's it. You've successfully added a click to call button in Elementor, making it much easier for your visitors to get in touch with you with just a single tap.